Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. The starting material is a cyclopentanol derivative. Specifically, it appears to be a substituted cyclopentanol with a methyl group. From the stereochemical drawing, the compound is trans-2-methylcyclopentanol or a related isomer, where CH3 and OH are on the cyclopentane ring with defined stereochemistry shown by wedge-dash bonds. Moving on to the next step. POCl3 in pyridine is a classic reagent for E2-type elimination of alcohols. It converts the OH into a good leaving group. As a chlorophosphate ester, OPOCl2 and pyridine acts as the base to promote E2 elimination. This reaction proceeds with an anti-periplanar requirement. SYN elimination is also possible via E2 with the chlorophosphate. Moving on to the next step. POCl3 reacts with the OH to form a chlorophosphate intermediate. Pyridine or the displaced chloride then acts as base in an E2 process. The key is which beta hydrogen is anti-periplanar or appropriately positioned to the leaving group. And for the final step, the substrate is trans-2-methylcyclopentanol. In POCl3 pyridine conditions, the elimination is predominantly E2 with SYN periplanar geometry, since the chlorophosphate is an excellent leaving group and the reaction can proceed via SYN elimination. The more substituted alkene is favored, ZEE. Elimination toward the carbon bearing the methyl group gives 1-methylcyclopentene, the more substituted, more stable alkene. This corresponds to option B. A. 3-methylcyclopentene is the less substituted product and would be the minor product, anti-ZEE. C. Cyclohexene is a 6-membered ring product, which cannot form from a cyclopentanol substrate without ring expansion. This is incorrect. D. Shows a chloride-containing product, but POCl3 pyridine with an alcohol gives elimination, alkene, not substitution. Under these conditions, pyridine drives elimination. The major product is 1-methylcyclopentene, the more substituted alkene, consistent with option B. Therefore, the correct answer is B. Therefore, the correct answer is option B.